How to download and install Telegram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Telegram app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download it. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar, search for Telegram. Select the first search result for Telegram. Tap on the install button. Telegram app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the Telegram app on your device. Simply tap on Open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use Telegram. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install Telegram on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.